How to share question response on Instagram story. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now click on your story, open up. With that, you will find your story. Now you have to click on this option of activity. With that, you're gonna find all the responses to your Instagram story. Now head towards the reply that you're going to share on your story. Just click on this option of reply. You're gonna get different options. Message, show response, or delete response. Go ahead and click on this option of show response. With that, your camera will open up. Now you can take a picture or add any picture from your gallery to add for the background. After you select the picture, now at the top you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on this option of text. Now you can reply to this response. And then you can click on this option of share. With that, you will be good to go. Well, this is how you can easily share a question response on Instagram story. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.